Individuals from various backgrounds gathered at Mpiluseni grounds in Munyu location in Idutywa to pray for successful circumcisions, a decrease in crime, and fewer road accidents. Following the community prayer, there was a brief period of rain. A member of the crime prevention team, Mziyanda Noqhayi, has encouraged people to speak out against crime, especially during the 16 days of activism.
We are against the issue of GBV. That is why today when we are launching the 16 days of activism, we are saying to people that the people must stop being quiet. If there's any problem, people must go and report that to the police station. We understand very well the GBV most of the time is happening at home. So we are saying that people must not be quiet about that. If your husband or your sister or your brother is hitting you, don't be quiet about that. Go and report it. We're encouraging people who don't want anyone that will die in these 16 days of activism because those people are quiet. We're encouraging the society to go back to their roots and make sure that they support one another.
Some residents believe that deviating from traditional practices is contributing to challenges faced by communities.
Siphunqukene nobuthina sesisithi senza isiko lethu sesisithi senza isithethe sethu siphunqukene nezinto ezininzi. Umntana ubesenzelwa imbeleko engekahambi esagaqa. Uzawuthi umntana ahlanganiswe unyaka kuthiwe kwenziwa itheko lokuzalwa kwakhe akakatyi kwambeleko lo mntana lo xesha. Laa nto ndithi singabathinjwa xa bendikwazi ukhumsha benzawuthi we are captured. Into eza kwenzeka umuntu engazange enzelwe nesiyacasa kowabo engazange athombe aqeqeshwe ngobuntombi aqeqeshwe naxa sefikele ikhabathiso loba makende kuzawuva kuthiwa kwenziwa i-21st birthday.
Residents are determined to take action and be the change they wish to see now that they have united in faith against the social ills plaguing their society.
The message is one that I've learned today is that I should be the change in my community. From today, I'm going back to where I'm living to say, people, let's not be clients of these guys who are doing crime. Because if somebody steals and he's got no one to sell to, then that thing he must just take it back because it's useless to him. He doesn't want to watch a TV, he just want to sell it. But we become the client of these guys. So these are the lessons that I'm taking out to my community to say we need to stand together because together we are more even stronger than the police forum.
The community is hopeful that their prayers will be answered, leading to a safer festive season. Reporting from Idutywa for MPK TV, I am Lutumo Diniso.